Hello, my name is Mayumi Wright. I'm your host for Taste Prep. Each show, I will walk you through some of my favorite recipes that I know you will enjoy. If you love food as much as I do, you will want to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Konnichiwa. Welcome to Taste Prep. Today we're making Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji. This is what you need for making Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji. You will need a half cup of rice koji placed in a glass container, 4.5 tablespoons of salt, 1/4 liter of water. For Shoyu Koji, you will need a half cup of rice koji, also placed in a glass container, and 1/4 liter of shoyu. You will need to purchase the rice koji from Asian market, or I'll share the link on the screen below. Rice koji has enzymes that breaks down the proteins. They're used for making miso in Japanese cooking. Now, Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji is ingredients or the seasonings that you can use in many cookings in Japan. And it's a fermented food. So if you like fermented food, I'm sure you will enjoy this seasoning. Now I'm going to add salt and water into this glass bowl filled with rice koji. So I'll start with the water and then add salt. Mix it well. And that's it. You are going to let this sit for 7 days. Each day you will open and mix the content. Now, I suggest putting a sticker on the glass so that you know which date you started. And you don't need to close it all the way. Just lightly open so that they can breathe. Each day you stir and close. And then I'm going to move on to Shoyu Koji. Shoyu Koji is very simple. All you have to do is add soy sauce to it. Again, you're going to mix it. Let that rice koji absorb all the shoyu, soy sauce. And the lid has a sticker. You will need to open, stir each day for 7 days. Now I'll show you what it looks like after 7 days. I have Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji. Now I use the food processor to mix the Shio Koji into a paste. And this is Shoyu Koji. So you can see it's almost like a pudding texture. And this is what you want to look for after 7 days. So if you like to use the food processor to liquefy the Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji both, you're certainly more than welcome to. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Now I'll show you a very quick recipe how to use Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Shio Koji. Now I cut up Napa cabbage. Let me move this to the side. And also carrots. And this is turnip, kabu in Japanese. So you want to add all this fresh vegetables. And then add 2 tablespoons of Shio Koji paste. And you're going to mix it. And then let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour in the refrigerator. And then this salad is done. Another one, make using the Shoyu Koji. I cut up 1 avocado. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Shoyu Koji in here. I squeezed lemon already to stop the coloring of the avocado. And then just put olive oil lightly. Mix it. And it's done. Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji are umami bursting seasonings. You can use it and certainly in just about anything. So I hope you liked it. Now this is how you make Shio Koji and Shoyu Koji. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. We have new episodes coming up every Monday, so please be sure to check back on us. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. さよなら。